This sucks. This is a stock H4 halogen headlight that comes in Harley-Davidson motorcycles, many of them stock, and other brand motorcycles. They're very dim. You definitely, for safety, want to get it replaced with something more modern like LED. So today we're going to talk about the Rivco I have in my hand here. This is an LED replacement bulb for the stock halogen headlights. This video in 4K. Welcome back, Bikeaholics. Ryan Erlacher here, lawabidingbiker.com. Thank you for checking back in. So there are a lot of options when it comes to LED headlights for your motorcycle. We've done a ton of reviews and we sell a lot of full LED headlights in our store. Make sure you check to replace this whole unit. This is the Rivco LED bulb replacement. This is probably more for your budget conscious rider. We definitely get that because you don't have to purchase the entire headlight. It is very bright. It adds a lot of additional lighting, so this may be for you. And this will work from 1988 to present motorcycles, again, with the stock halogen H4 bulb. And if you appreciate what we're doing here on this channel, trying to help as many bikers as we can worldwide, please consider purchasing this and other products in the Law Abiding Biker store, link in the description below. And before you leave this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell icon. Every time those are hit, another biker joins the revolution. We'd love to have you. All right, and before we do the nighttime comparison, we're gonna show you some very important fitment information, and we're gonna show you how to install this. All right, so what we're looking at here is an older mid-2000 model Softail night train. Now, what you wanna note is for many years, these headlight buckets are exactly the same, minus one thing, and it's kind of critical. So if you're going to try to fit this Rivco in here, it's probably not going to fit. In fact, we know it won't fit. So what you want to do before you order or anything, you want to check what model of headlight bucket you have. And so you see in there, this is the old kind, and it has this rubber mounted bracket that helps support the headlight. Because of that, when you put this in the headlight body itself, you literally can't push it down. It runs into that bracket, and you can never get the headlight flushed up enough to get the pinch ring back around. So you got a couple choices. The main choice is if you want to do this, you'll just need to order a more current headlight bucket. We're going to show you one of those in just a moment of how they rivet it now, and that's not an issue. So just be aware of that look before you order. Now we're looking at a newer bike, a 2016 Dynalowrider S. You can see the headlight bucket itself is very much the same. Of course, this one's black, but moving inside, you can see they've changed the design, and you don't have that big bracket anymore. You've just got it riveted on. So in this kind of headlight bucket, there's plenty of room to fit that Rivco LED up in there. So again, just check which bucket you have. Okay, so we're going to show you how easy it is to remove a headlight from one of these buckets, and we'll show you how to put the Rivco LED bulb in. On the very bottom, you see I'm moving in there with a Phillips screwdriver. Underneath there, there's just a screw and a nut. And that ring that goes around is just kind of a pinch ring, so to speak. And so he's just going to back that out. You pretty much have to back it all the way out. Be careful, it's a very little nut in there, and you can lose it. So he's kind of supporting it with his finger there. There we go, he's got it backed all the way out. And now he can spread that ring apart. Support your headlight so it doesn't fall out as he's removing that. And now he can rock that headlight out of there. And of course, it's just got the standard H4 plug in the back. You just got to pinch on both sides and pull it off. All right, so the first thing, he's going to remove this rubber boot or weather seal from this stock halogen light. Gives us access to the bulb there. All right, and so once you have the rubber boot off, you can see you have access there. There's just a retaining spring. You just push down on it there, pull it to the side, rock it back. Now the stock bulb, you can just remove it right out of there. All right, now he's got the Rivco LED bulb. He's going to replace it in the stock housing there. And it just sits in there. And if you wonder what that back thing is, that's a fan actually to keep this thing cool. You just push that retaining clip back into place. That's what he's doing. It locks into place, and that's all there is to it. And obviously, after we replace it, you're good to go. That stock rubber boot isn't going to fit. It would block the fan motor anyways. All right, so we've got our new Rivco LED light installed. Of course, off the back of it is just that stock H4 plug. You're just going to plug that in. There we go. And then everything you just kind of got to situate up in here to get this headlight to sit flush. So just work the wiring around. pull it off to the side, whatever you need to do. That's what he's doing, and then we'll get this thing to sit flush, and then we'll get our ring put on here. All right, and just be patient. He had to work that quite a bit and twist it around to make sure that it fit flush, and of course he made sure his Harley logo is sitting in the up position there. All right, and he's moving on with his pinch ring, so to speak. I get that situated. Of course, the gap in it and the bolt and nut go at the bottom. All right, and he's moving up underneath there. Of course, just be careful not to lose that little tiny nut. And he's putting the bolt through the other side. And with his Phillips screwdriver, just moving in there. You don't want to over tighten this, just get it snug and just make sure your headlight's secure. There you go, that's how easy it is to install that Rivco LED bulb replacement. If you appreciate this video and it was helpful, please consider purchasing this product using the links in the description below. And thanks for tuning in. I hope you're well, and I definitely hope you are out there getting some riding in. Peace.